students, how are you? Very good morning to all of you. In last video we people have started with your secondary growth. अगर आप secondary growth की बात कर रहे हो तो वो कैसा growth है? Yes, that is increase in girth, increase in diameter. For this we are having lateral meristem. We very well know that, right? Under this two categories. Number one is your vascular cambium and number two is your cork cambium. Dear students, we have started with your vascular cambium, right? We have specifically started with secondary growth in dicot stem. Am I clear? And we very well know that vascular bundle of dicot stem are conjoined, collateral and open. In the sense, xylem and phloem occurs as a single unit and in between there is presence of cambium and this cambium is called as intrafascicular cambium. Very good. At the time of secondary growth, the parenchymatous cells of medullary ray becomes meristematic to form interfascicular cambium. Intrafascicular cambium plus interfascicular cambium forms cambial ring. Once cambial ring is formed, new cells are being continuously added inside as well as outside. Towards inner side are your secondary xylem, towards outer side are your secondary phloem. क्या बोला था मैंने? Yes, activity of cambium is more towards inner side, so more amount of secondary xylem is formed in comparison to secondary phloem. Yes or no? Yes. So new cells of secondary xylems are being added continuously as cambium is more active towards inner side due to this pressure. Secondary phloem and primary phloem will get crushed. However, आपका जो primary xylem होता है, it will remains more or less intact at the center of stem. Okay. Dear students, again ये cambium की activity ज़्यादा होती है, कम होती है, depending on season, right? So in last video we have seen classification of your wood depending on activity of cambium in different season. Yes or no? In spring it is more, right? Whereas in autumn it is less. Right, so you will get early wood and you will get late wood, that are your spring wood and autumn wood respectively. This we have already discussed in your last few videos. Yes or no? Yes, and I hope the topic is very clear to you people. Okay, dear students, in this video we are going to see another type of wood and that is your softwood. Okay, that is your softwood I am making in terms of difference. Okay, so this is your softwood and ये soft है तो ये कैसा होगा? It will be your hardwood. Am I clear? So first one is your softwood and over here is your hardwood. Okay, let's understand the difference between your softwood and your hardwood. Okay, dear students, if I am talking about your softwood, then this is your gymnospermic wood. ठीक है, softwood किसको बोला जाता है? Gymnospermic wood. Am I clear? Whereas if I am talking about your hardwood, then it is name given to dicot wood. Okay, specifically जो hardwood है, it's a name given to your dicot wood. Am I clear? चलो, why it is said as your gymnospermic wood? इसको क्यों gymnospermic wood बोला गया है? As these soft woods, right? They do not have vessels. They are devoid of vessels, I can say. इनके पास vessels नहीं होते. So they are called as gymnospermic wood, simple as that. Whereas if I am talking about hardwood, right, they are having vessels and tracheids. Am I clear? See, this is the most important difference, right? Number one, gymnospermic wood. Number two, devoid of vessels. Am I clear? Okay. Third one which I am going to write, since they do not have vessels, right? Since they do not have vessels, they are also called as non-porous wood. इनको क्या बोला जाता है? Non-porous wood बोला जाता है. Whereas this hardwood have vessels, and so it is called as your most important point, porous wood. Am I clear? So dear students, if I am talking about your softwood, it's non-porous. If I am talking about your hardwood, it is porous. Am I clear? So ये हो गया उसका another name. Am I clear? Okay. In this case, in case of your softwood, the proportion of tracheids is 90 to 95%. कितना होता है? 90 to 95%. Whereas in case of hardwood, the content of tracheids, the tracheids are present, right? But content of tracheids are very low. They are very low. In the sense, I can say less than 10% or 5%. I can say, right? It is less than 5%. Minimum लेके चलते हैं. Okay, so it is less than 5%. Am I clear? So these are the main difference between your softwood and your hardwood. If I am talking about your softwood, then it is easy to handle. Whereas if I am talking about hardwood, it is bit difficult to handle in comparison to your softwood. Am I clear? So if you want to write this difference, you can write. Chalo, let me write the point. Fifth point. Note down everyone. The wood is easy to work with. Okay. ये जो wood है, the wood is easy to work with. Am I clear? Whereas here, if I want to write, then the wood is comparatively difficult to work with. Please note down, the wood is, what I am saying, comparatively. ठीक है? It is comparatively difficult to work with. ठीक है? चलो. Any doubts in this? So the wood is easy to work with and the wood is comparatively, sorry, just a minute. Okay. Difficult to work with. So this is the main difference between your softwood and hardwood. वापस से एक बार, softwood, gymnospermic wood. Why it is called as soft? Because they are not having vessels, and so they are also called as non-porous wood. Whereas hardwood is your dicot wood. They have vessels, right? The amount of tracheid is very low, that is less than 5%. And as they have vessels, they are also called as your porous wood. Am I clear? Any doubts in this? Okay. Now I want to say something about your hardwood. I want to say something about your hardwood. So you people have to continue the point. So you people have to continue the point over here. Okay. So you people have to continue the point over here. Chalo. Dear students, now this hardwood, इसके मैं type लिखूं. Okay. Hardwood के मैं type लिखूं. So यहाँ पे I am writing its type. Okay. They can be classified as two. They can be classified as two. Number one is ring porous. Number one is ring porous, and number two is your diffuse porous. Okay. Number one is your ring porous and number two is your diffuse porous. Now let's understand what is the difference between these two. Let's understand what is the difference between these two. Okay. If I am talking about your ring porous wood, specifically I want to write example that is in case of your cassia and in case of your dalbergia. In case of cassia and in case of dalbergia, जो सेकेंडरी वुड होता है, आई मीन टू से सेकेंडरी जाइलम होता है, सेकेंडरी xylem. Okay, this secondary xylem in case of cassia and dalbergia, they are having wider vessels, I can say. They are having wider vessels, right, and narrower vessel in different season. Okay, if I am talking about wider vessel, then in spring season, ठीक है, the vessels of secondary xylem are wider, whereas in case of your autumn, ठीक है, the size of vessels of secondary xylem is narrower, and such type of wood is called as ring porous. ये जो wood है इसको क्या बोला जाता है? ring porous बोला जाता है. I hope you are getting very well. ठीक है, वापस से एक बार मैंने क्या बोला? If I am talking about hardwood, it can be categorized into two, ring porous and diffuse porous. चलो, ring porous की अगर आप बात करो, then such wood is present in case of your cassia and dalbergia, where xylem, to be more specific, secondary xylem के जो vessels होते हैं, they are broader, they are wider and narrower in different season. एक सीजन में वेसल्स की साइज वाइडर है, एक सीजन में वेसल की साइज नैरो है. वाइडर इन केस ऑफ स्प्रिंग, narrower in case of autumn. Are you people getting my point? Yes, and such wood is called as ring porous. Whereas in case of your syzygium, here I am writing example, whereas in case of your syzygium, okay, जो ये wood है, right, they are similar in size. Okay, जो wood होता है, if they are, I can say similar in size throughout the year, है ना, similar in size throughout the year, then such type of hardwood is called as diffuse porous. इसको क्या बोला जाता है? diffuse porous बोला जाता है. Am I clear? So once again, what we people have understood in this video, that is your softwood and hardwood. Softwood and hardwood. ठीक है? Okay. Softwood, gymnospermic, dicot wood. Most important, non-porous and porous. Hardwood are categorized into two, ring porous and ring diffuse porous. In ring porous, the size of vessels of secondary xylem are different in different seasons, whereas this is similar in all season. Am I clear? Example अगर याद रहे तो it's very important for your need purpose. Cassia dalbergia and this is your syzygium. Am I clear? So I hope you understood this video. So this is all about your softwood and your hardwood.